Okay?
Go.
Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good noon sa lahat po. I'm here and in place here in my home. I will go to warehouse because I will shopping. What else may buy? Palit ko ka na mga pinili ngayon. And anyone to help. Okay, I will see you. You see this place. The very nice view. This place is Aliyab subdivision in Barangay Mambago Alagaris, Samar. You know, by the way, it's next year. Imagination, this place is many subdivisions, housing. Oh, you want to try to cluster to plan this one? You to try to inquire. Oh. You know, in this place, and I remember always this one are very little line. Oh yes, the trees in here, trees. This one is very many trees and no cement too, no cement. Other year, but now I know this one. This one is always okay. Okay. This way to go to warehouse. My brother and sister here to plan to buy the warehouse.
Brother and sister, unsa ni? Lucky sa kajong bayo? Sisters.
The my friends to go in warehouse to buy.
My friends na. My friends price.
What I don't know how to what buying.
What to do.
We buy the small little. I think this is my wife. My friend is this is a picture of the kids. I don't know. I expected this one is you buy the ball pen, paper, Crayola, crayon, and what else? Pencil. This I expected this one. I don't know why buy this one. Okay. If you want to go here, you respect the honor this way. Other people to overtake the way. Do not to confiance.
Do not confiance because the police.
The warehouse is little yeah.
Si Kuya.
The warehouse is sa English yung warehouse doon na lang.
Very close. Very close.
Very close. The warehouse is
Unay na ko pala.
okay na wala na.
Police.
The warehouse is here a warehouse. So I will back to warehouse. I will go to inside. I will seeing the ceiling. Okay? You signal light in the left side.
Okay.
Right hand to left side.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Place left hands. Okay. Here in your house now. I will go to inside. Thank you so much. So the video camera, I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling sakit sa kamot na.
Okay. Thank you for the camera. I will continue, guys. I came from the inside the warehouse. I'm finished the buy the warehouse. So I will go to the home. My friends to go in the home. Okay. And this back again the street away. Okay. You see the many prutas, vegetable, and sa English prutas. Fruits. I know in my people, my friends to hold the cell phone because no uppercut the cell phone. Okay. the way for doon to the San Agustin. Babak Alagan City. Oh, Saman! Damo del Norte! Yahoo! Okay? This way is one side, left side, and go to Pantalan and Babak Alagan City, Saman! Yahoo! And this way, patungo to San Agustin, Babak Alagan City, Saman! This way! Yahoo! Good. My friend to buy the warehouse. Anything so warehouse. You buy the warehouse, the necklace.
Necklace.
Shout out po sa mga kaibigan ako sa YT. Salamat po sa lahat po sa inyong mga kaibigan ko. Sobrang saya ako na maging kakilala ko kayo. And anyway, anytime, anywhere. Shout out all around. Yahoo! Shout out po sa naghawak ng cellphone. Wala akong bayad nito. Thank you so much. Puro pa yung kikamot ay. Bukuro ka. Bukuro ka ron.
Lala, ikaw ang kurog mo drive.
You say this camera the place. Oh, you say that the place is Aliyah. Ang ganda ng tanawin mga ma'am.
Ibalik ako kapitag.
Wow, ang ganda ng place. Wow. Oh, you see the Carabao Gas. Wow. You see the new coconut.
Coconut
Very beautiful. Like a beautiful in my friends to hold their cellphone. Suya ulit sa likod eh.
Okay, so yeah, don't get it.
Right. Like the beautiful in the number 3.
Number 3 daw.
Shout out Christy Williama, the one of beautiful of people.
The one of beautiful people.
The one of beautiful people in Philippines. Okay, mayroon ba kayo advertise sa inyo? Recommend. So, kung gusto kayo maging guardia sa kabila, nandyan o, inquire tayo dyan o. Buy one take one daw. Buy one take one daw. Uy, kung nariyan pala.
Ikaw naman palit yung buy one take 3.
Kung nariyan pala yun. Please, to protect for you. From my heart. Okay. Shout out po na ko ang sa akong sukanda sa simbahan din naman o. Pilinig po sukan. Shout out ko sa mga kaibigan ako dyan sa church ha. Nagatop ako ng pasayro. Wala kang kain. Bilin ako ng sukan. Babalik ko po. Okay, sa Agustin na ta. Malapit na tayo.
Ang pasulod.
Pagkatao na to atong rikisa to atong sige sa likod. Pwede ba magkanta na?
Ito pwede na magkanta.
Okay, malapit na tayo sa kantahanan. I will go the home. Okay? Okay. Thank you my friends here in my house. My friends here in my house, mga friends.
Where's your house?
Dito sa unahan, sa Bago Ig. Okay? Okay, I'm sorry my English is not all correct grammar because I will try to...
Sorry, Your Honor.
You honor me. Okay, I will go in home.
10 minutes na.
Oh, I not break the motor. Okay. My motor. Hello, continue sa ako. Nakita natin ang paligid natin mga ma'am. Dito po ang lugar sa una yung nag-vlog ako simula ma'am ba. Dito nga place ma'am, dyan po nga makita natin ma'am. Dyan ako natatakbo noon ma'am, nung pagsimula ko po. At maganda talaga ang tanawin ngayon dito kasi mga puno, dami mga puno sila ma'am. Ilang hektarya po ito kalaki. Dami mga puno ng niyog ma'am. Okay. Ito mga niyog mga ma'am is ano po, dati po naalala ko, ako isa sa nagbalat ng niyog dito mga ma'am. Share ko lang ito video na ito ma'am. Dagdag ko lang ito sa aking video nga ginawa ngayon po. Ano po talaga, nakita natin mga puno dito ma'am is may ibang namamatay ma'am. Namatay ang mga puno kasi po pag ang lupa ma'am at ang mga lupa dito pag hindi natin inaararo po ma'am, hindi siya nililinis ma'am, inararo, ang mga niyog ma'am ay mawala ang bunga, mamatay ma'am kasi wala man siyang taba. Kailangan talaga, based sa aking mga nalaman ma'am, kailangan talaga ang mga niyog o lupa dito ma'am is alagaan talaga. Pag araruhan mo talaga dito, check ito bang init. Pero makita mo ang ganda naman ng aking tanawin. Pero itong lupa na ito ma'am, mga aking i-share kay ngayon is mayroon na po may-ari ngayon. At ang dati dito, imagine mo kayo ngayon, naglalakad ako dito ko dadaan, magbiyahe patungong labas, makadaan pa ko ngayon. Ngunit pag dati ng panahon, pag kukunin na talaga sa may-ari dito, ay hindi na kami makadaan dito sa nga daan kasi mayroon na pong daan na ginawa nila na doon na talaga magdaan kami.